Ghanaian MPs wear Indian attire to welcome PM Modi. Tradition meets diplomacy. Ghana Parliament erupts into laughter as MPs turn bride and groom for PM. Video of MPs in Indian attire goes viral. In a remarkable show of cultural camaraderie, several Ghanaian members of parliament donned traditional Indian attire to welcome Prime Minister Narendra Modi as he delivered his historic address at the Parliament of the Republic of Ghana. PM Modi became the first Indian Prime Minister to address the West African nation's parliament. During his address, the sight of Ghanaian lawmakers in traditional Indian attire caught everyone's attention. As Alban Sumna Kingsford Bagbin, the current Speaker of the Parliament of Ghana, was making his closing remarks after Mr. Modi's speech, he noticed two Ghanaian MPs in Indian attire. One MP was seen in a pagdi, or traditional headgear, and bandhagla, a closed-neck suit, while a female MP stood up to show her Indian outfit. The other members of the parliament broke into applause, including PM Modi. PM Modi, in his address to the parliament in Ghana, said that a strong India will contribute to a more stable and prosperous world. He also pushed for credible and effective reforms in global governance in the wake of changing circumstances. Highlighting the importance of the Global South, PM Modi said, "The revolution in technology, the rise of the Global South, and the shifting demographics are contributing to its pace and scale." He said progress cannot come without giving voice to the Global South. PM Modi also welcomed the establishment of the Ghana-India Parliamentary Friendship Society in Ghana's parliament. He said that Ghana holds great potential to become an IT and innovation hub in the region. PM said that, together, we will shape a future full of promise and progress. PM Modi further added that India and Ghana share a dream. A dream where every child gets opportunities, where every voice is heard, where nations rise together, not apart. In recognition of PM Modi's statesmanship and global leadership, PM was conferred the National Honour of Ghana, Officer of the Order of the Star of Ghana, by the President, John Dramani Mahama, accepting the award on behalf of 1.4 billion Indians. PM Modi dedicated the honour to the aspirations of the youth of India, its cultural traditions and diversity, and to the historical ties between Ghana and India.